Hello, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is March 24, 2025. And so we're continuing to 2025 to work on testing. We have our testnet out there if you guys want to try it out. We are standing up something that is going to be closer to production still and doing some manual tests on that, and also continuing to work on optimizations. And with that, let's get started on where we're at and how the chain is doing. Caleb.
Chain is doing good. Still have like over 50 validators. The daemon seems to be doing a lot better. Stability wise since the last restart, or at least that's what it appears to be in the logs. Probably need to check the numbers on that, but yeah, everything looks good. Getting the Grafana dashboard built out to all of our validators, and going to be sharing that with the team today. But yeah, other than that, just more testing.
All right, buddy, how are you with your manual test?
It's going great. I've been bridging some funds. Tellor is working. I did the spec for the Ampleforth custom and reported that with Tellor. Tellor works for the cyclist. That's kind of where I'm at. Now I'm going to move on to a dispute test.
Yeah. So we've had the latest iteration of the relayer bot relaying all weekend to the latest iteration of a test user contract. So I'll be scraping that data to see how it performed, how its timing is working and everything. But looking at it visually, looks like a lot better. Like I don't see any failed transactions in there. But yeah, so we'll be measuring just how the whole process performs, from aggregate data over on layer to relaying over on an EVM chain. And then also I've been drafting an article, continuing to work on that. Yeah, that's about, yeah.
I'm looking forward to seeing those stats and seeing how they are different from the last time they did a similar test. Ryan?
Still working on the block explorer there. I'm trying to add the last consensus timestamp variable for the generate Oracle proof button, and the parameters I'm trying to update so it's more so it includes more robust data than the template that I had originally. And then after that, I am going to add some we were talking about earlier, some delegate functions to the bridge page.
Delegate and select.
Yep.
Dan?
I've been double checking all of our collections iterator bounds and adding some Go benchmark tests to get some relative performance metrics.
Yeah, Nick?
Yeah. Tim, by the way, is that PR good to go?
Yes, it is.
And from now on, if you don't input your keys correctly in your validators, you will be stopped. So, preventing user errors. Yeah, we're gonna test in some stuff for the team wallet, and then if you guys didn't catch, we dropped Oracle's XAI article. It was an article I did. This was, I kind of got the guys' feedback on it internally, and then we wanted to push it out. Just, the Oracle space and the whole crypto space is really changing, especially with AI, and like we're trying to figure out how to sort of move along some of these lines, and so this article represents some of my thoughts on it. So go give it a read. Let me know what you guys think. So
And then Ryan, do we have any questions?
Yes, Sync did some research on the Tellor blogs and was asking essentially about from a Tellor Tokenomics 201 article where we talked about reducing the dev share over time in the name of decentralization. He's asking if we are still planning on eventually phasing out the dev share.
We are. That has always been in the plans. Obviously, we want to make sure that we build something that is strong enough that it's supported and continued by the community. We're not there yet. We're just launching. We're going to be launching mainnet layer soon, and we're going to continue to work towards phasing that out, but it's not going to happen just yet. I like the way the team did put it, though. You want to say it, Tim, or do you want me to steal your line?
You can steal it.
Okay. Yeah, so rewards are actually in overall, the percentage of it, they are decreasing over time, obviously, already. And then eventually, we always have this in mind that we would be a decentralized protocol. So we do have to build to get there, though. So we'll get there soon. Yeah. Do you want to add anything, Nick?
No, it has to. You guys have to fork us out. It has to be a controversial kicking of the team out, and we have to be shunned from the future Tellor community. So,
Oh, but if it gets to that point, that's good. Then we
that's the goal.
That's strong enough to support the project by themselves. So,
Right.
yeah. Yeah, if you guys think it's ready, by all means, give it a shot.
Yeah, run the thing yourselves. Go for it. So.
Please, no attacks.
No. Yeah, I guess with that, we'll see you guys next week.